And for now, shifting news that we are tracking from India, its top court has criticized what it called selective and piecemeal release of the preliminary report on June 12th Air India crash in Ahmedabad. Now, in its oral observations, the Supreme Court of India called aspects of the report irresponsible for fueling a narrative of pilot error before the inquiry was complete. The top court was responding to a public interest litigation that was filed by an NGO that sought an independent probe into the tragedy that killed more than 260 people. A bench of Justices Surya Kant and N. Koteswar Singh sought a response from the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, which in July published a preliminary report on the same. It has also sought responses from the central government and the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Appearing for the petitioner, senior advocate Prashant Bhushan said that more than 100 days have passed since the June 12th crash, but only a preliminary report has been released till now. He further questioned the inclusion of officials from the aviation safety regulator, which is the DGCA, on the probe panel, claiming it created a conflict of interest. The bench of Justice Surya Kant and Justice N. Koteswar Singh said that while the petitioner's demand for a fair inquiry is understandable, making all findings public could affect the probe in this incident. The plea even highlighted that the AAIB's preliminary report attributed the accident to the fuel cut-off switches being moved from run to cut off, effectively implying pilot error. It was also pointed out that the Wall Street Journal published a story on the crash probe even before the preliminary report was handed over to the central government. Justice Kant observed that it was unfortunate, calling media reports suggesting that one of the pilots was suicidal a very irresponsible kind of reporting. He also said that instead of piecemeal leaking of information, somebody should maintain confidentiality till regular inquiry is taken to legal and logical conclusion. The Air India operated Boeing 787 crash killed all but one of the 242 people on board and 19 others on the ground after the plane lost thrust shortly after takeoff from the Ahmedabad airport.